MSI GT75 Titan 01 for 17.3 inches Extreme Gaming Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I was blown away by the amount of power this laptop has. It's like they managed to compress a desktop into a laptop. I ran all my games in Ultra and 60 FPS. The size is big normally because of the fans. There's a button to activate fan boost. In matter of seconds it dramatically reduces your GPU and CPU temp. This product holds very high standards in its performance and blows a lot of competition in the market out of the water. It is the perfect blend for hardcore gaming enthusiasts and people who are constantly on the go. Only issue I have is the fans may be a bit too loud, but honestly it isn't too distracting and can be overlooked. Really enjoying this laptop, sound and visual are great. First thing I did was play Dead by Daylight on it. Went off and murdered my friends and called it a day. Handled it very well, the computer. My friends were not so happy. Highly recommend this laptop for someone who is a big gamer. So far this has been an amazing purchase. Love that the laptop doesn't get too hot as the cooling system has worked flawlessly thus far. The one big glaring thing that I can say so far is that the reviews were very correct about the bad battery life. It lasts maybe a little over 2 hours for me thus far, but really that has been the only thing that I can say bad about this laptop. Would recommend this to anyone looking for a great gaming comp on the go. If you are looking for a small compact laptop though this is not, read the description first before purchase. This is my replacement laptop for my old Alienware M17XR2, and to be honest I've never heard of MSI brand of laptops. It's always been Alienware/Dell/HP/Apple, and I was looking into the Alienware 17R5, they too now have individual color keys for the keyboard instead of their typical 4 zones, or the MacBook Pro 17 with the i9. Upon research and looking into reviews, I decided to give the MSI GT75 a try. This is my first mechanical keyboard which I could live with one or without, but it is kind of fun to type with, and I really like that this laptop doesn't burn my legs while it's on my lap like my old Alienware does. I looked into the i9 4K model, but since I'm not a real computer gamer, I didn't need it. FHD works perfectly fine for me and I don't have to have 2 massive power bricks. Be warned, if you drop the power brick on the floor, you'll most likely damage the floor. The added bonus of having the colorful backlit keyboard with the ability to program it in so many different color combinations is one of my favorite things about the computer, and I can spend hours just playing with a keyboard and all the different effects I could do. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.